In an exclusive interview with our reporter, they reveal that the podcast is not based on imagination, and you can, or rather definitely will, find a resemblance in your lockdown life. So it's safe to say that the podcast is meant strictly for entertainment purposes only and does not intend to hurt the sentiments of any individual, community, sect, or religion. A leaflet, guys, like a leaflet has been published that advises viewers discretion. That's all for today, folks. This is me signing off. Janhit mein jari.
Guys, come on. It's time.
अगं अगं हो आई होय होय अगं लावूनच बसलोय टीव्ही. हा ठीक आहे बाय. हो बाय बाय. ए शांत बसा ऐका जरा.
बच्चे बुजुर्ग छोटे बड़े गरीब मध्यम हर वर्ग के लोग हर कोई परीक्षा की इस घड़ी में साथ आया.
ओ माय गॉड गाइस, टुमारो इज द डे.
सारे सुझावों को ध्यान में रखते हुए
आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू से.
ये तय किया
आई
गया
जस्ट बी
है
बैक.
कि भारत में लॉकडाउन को अब 3 मई तक और बढ़ाना पड़ेगा.
So
3 मई तक
this is finally coming to an end. I'll never forget these last 21 days.
लॉकडाउन में ही
I don't know how to say this. Anyway, so tomorrow, are you gonna leave as well?
No, I'll stay if you want me to, Tanveer.
Stuck it together, nowhere to go. अब क्या करूँ ऐ जिंदगी? Locked up with randos for God knows how long. Stocked up on भिंडी, आलू और अंडे 2000. सुट्टे के पैकेट्स और सैनिटाइजर में है प्यार. जो भी होगा देखा जाएगा. 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 जंग में जारी.
अरे यार फलक, what are you doing here?
Oh, Tanveer. Were you going to propose to her?
What?
लॉकडाउन में ही
No,
But both of you look so good together.
we do.
अनुशासन
Yeah,
इसी तरह पालन
she likes you too.
She does.
जैसे हम
Did she say anything to you?
No, and I don't think she will to anyone.
Why?
She's very secretive, not that way.
Yeah, I know. By the way, do you think if it's a good idea if we, start?
Just think it through. She's a nice girl, so you don't want to rush into this. But in either case, I'll stand by your side. I like you.
Oh wow! All of this coming from a girl who doesn't have a TV.
Oh, Tanveer.
No. Okay. I'm sorry. So, Falak. Hi.
Come here, you.
You really are my delight. Thank you.
स्पोर्ट्स को
I know.
Hugging. Yay. Yeah, I'll also come.
No.
Oh.
Arey, okay. So you got the news? Good.
What news?
Arey, we are going nowhere. The lockdown is extended for 19 more days. Yoo-hoo! Woo!
What? Palin? Are you sure? Hey, Palin.
अरे Palin. Thank God.
पर भी हमें
But why did he have to come?
कड़ी
Why couldn't she come to tell this news?
कठोर कदम
Anyway, I'll go.
नए
Thank you, my delight.
हमारे परिश्रम
Tanveer and
और
Ravi?
हमारी तपस्या को
Oh my god.
Hey, acha guys, I'm going downstairs, okay? Do we need anything? Bench? Falak? Why the hell are you shooting each other? Hello?
Oh, cut. Hey, Manoranjan. Go away, yeah. We are working here. We are recording the reaction video on yesterday's lockdown extension news for our YouTube channels.
Dear God. Yeah, the government clearly didn't think of this outcome before the announcement.
Hey, don't blame the government, dude. They never think,
Yeah, just do me a favor and don't say such things like this in your videos, okay? Yeah.
Hey, dude. Do not disturb. Like D&D, bruh.
हाँ ना यार. Hey, just go, man. Let us work.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? ओ जीसस भगवान.
मैं बता रही हूँ.
अरे मनोरंजन सर आइए.
अबे सुट्टा पिएगा क्या?
अरे आप पिलाओगे तो पी ही लूंगा थोड़ी सी.
Hey, who's this? I haven't seen you. I am.
Manoranjan sir. I know. Sir, you are the famous dealer, right? Right. Hello, I am Twinkle.
Oh, Twinkle. Cigarette?
No, sir. I am working right now, not in the working hours.
Girl with principles, huh?
Yes, I am.
सर उनकी सिगरेट आप मुझे दे दीजिए. अरे सर आप तो मारने ही लग जाते हो. रुको. वैसे ये गोयल मैडम 28वां फ्लोर. हाँ, ये यहाँ होम मैनेजर है उनके यहाँ.
Home manager, huh? I know the meaning of both of these words separately but not together.
Sir, so it is like I am.
No, not Twinkle. Please let me. No. हाँ. So, sir, basically ये गोयल मैडम की बाई है.
What? अरे नहीं लेकिन आपको देख के लगता नहीं.
Sir, I am many things. I am a BCom graduate, a baker, a gardener, a personal assistant to Goel madam, and I am Kamwali by union head also.
I am impressed.
Me too.
I know.
You know what? Twinkle, na? Huh. Give me your number. We need your services, okay? Now that the lockdown is extended, so,
No, sir. Thank you.
Cigarette in public place. How dare you? अरे Twinkle.
Hey, अरे Twinkle.
बेबी ट्विंकल.
ती तिच्या मॅडम वर गेली. बेबी ट्विंकल. हे आणि तू रे हे मनोज बनसोडच्या जागा कुठे आहे तुझी? जागेवर.
अच्छा, sir, when shall I refill your Gudangaram ka stock? Huh?
हळू बोल. I will call you.
Okay, sir. Have a good day. Huh? Bye.
अरे मनोरंजन इकडे ऐक जरा. You tell Agashe that the maintenance person will come next month. Tell him to stop writing letters to society management.
I will, sir. I will. Although, sir, if I may, what maintenance guy, sir?
For swimming pool and the lawn.
There's a swimming pool? There's a swimming pool? Where, sir? Where?
On the terrace. पण बंद येते. It is closed. Go home now.
Yeah, okay. अच्छा, sir, Also, I am sincerely sorry for what Paleen did to you that day. You know,
हा हा ठीक आहे तो तर ना फारच होपलेस हे मनोरंजन आहे गो हो चाल गो आणि तू रे मनोज पंचुटी जागा कुठे आहे तुझी जागेवर चाल
Guys, we are doing a family video call. Code WetBed. I repeat, code WetBed here.
Hey Malvi yaar, you shouldn't have brought up that summer vacation. Now everybody here knows about those bedwetting incidents, the blame games, the mind games, and
Hey, Paleen, focus.
yes. Guys, no disturbance here, okay? Say yes or no when I am asking, okay?
Why are you shouting?
Don't shout, yaar, Malvi and Paleen. And okay, I get it. I'm on a work call. Don't disturb.
Malvi, okay. Paleen, yes. And Ravi, don't shout, you idiot. And don't disturb me either. I'm on a call. So, sir, what I was saying is...
Okay, everybody, calm the hell down. Okay? Tanveer and Ravi, lock your rooms. And code WetBed in the living room for Malvi and Paleen. Calm down, guys.
Arey, thank you, Kumar.
Why are you shouting? I am right here.
What?
Nothing.
अगं नथिंग काय नथिंग ती बोलली काहीतरी.
Tanveer, nothing. Wait, guys, you start your call. I'll go talk to them.
Yes. Thank you, Kumar. એ કેમ છો દાદી તમારી ફેસબુક પોસ્ટ બહુ મસ્ત હોય છે.
અરે પપ્પા, this is the new hairstyle. અરે તમે દાદીને પૂછો ને, તો ફેસબુક પર એકદમ એક્ટિવ છે હમણાં. હા, દાદીએ જોયું હશે.
હાય પપ્પા, તમને મિસ કરું છું.
મમ્મી, ચાચી અને ચાચુ ક્યાં છે?
Hey, no, babe. No. Oh.
I'm coming.
This is Falak.
And this is bench Adarsh, Milap Sinha.
Hi.
Yo. Oops. Namaste.
अरे
Boo. Code wet blanket.
Oh, अरे बाबा, it's code WetBed. Code wet blanket is our sweat.
Both of you out.
અરે યાર, બધાને ખબર પડી ગઈ કે હું નાનો હતો ત્યારે ચડ્ડીમાં મૂતી કરતો હતો. હાડ યાર, શી.
Paleen, focus. નહીં એવું કઈ નહીં, બસ એમને મજા કરે છે. હા.
અરે હા તો અરે હું બહુ ધ્યાન રાખું છું માલવીનું. એ માલવી કે ને તું.
Bench, that was so depressing. You can't say anything in front of everyone. Stupid.
At least you should talk nicely in front of them.
okay, there is a hot maid, Twinkle, on the 20th floor and a god-forsaken swimming pool on the terrace. Oh my God, can you believe it?
Do. Cut it out. Code wet bed.
Bench, shut up. Come here.
I don't know the way you talk, you boss over me.
Hi, Paleen and Malvi's family. અરે કેમ છે? હું મજામાં છું. જો તમે, હા?
Manoranjan, get out. And you two just shut up.
અરે નહીં, આ બુબુ કઈ ને, આ બુબુ તો એકદમ ગાંડો છે. Hey, caller. Tell the hot maid we are here.
See, Paleen, stop. And please clear your browsing history. Hey, look. Is that Kirloskar? What is he doing here?
अरे तुम्ही काय करताय हा?
What?
Malvi madam.
Yes, that's me. I called you. Manoranjan gave me your number.
Wait, madam, wait 1 minute. Mr. Secretary, why don't you just go and sit inside our house, huh? And I will call madam.
मी आपलं सहज असं जॉगिंग स्टेअरकेस आहेत का त्या?
Sir, you live on this floor?
No, I live on the 4th floor. हाँ ठीक है. I will go now. And you too. हाँ, go home. लॉकडाऊन चालू आहे. हाँ, चला घरी चला.
Okay. So, Twinkle, you seem like a nice person, yeah?
Yes, I am.
Hello, myself Palin Shah. So we are here to propose a deal, okay? हाँ.
Pauline, I will do the talking. Okay?
Madam, is he your brother?
Yes, he is.
Thought so.
She is very smart, huh? I must say एकदम जबरदस्त है बाकी.
Yes, I am very smart.
Acha. Twinkle, you tell us, how can we do this?
Actually, Malvi madam, we cannot. I already told Manoranjan sir that.
Okay, I still think we can reach some agreement. Besides, you are in a negotiation deal against 2 Gujarati people. Okay, fine. We are 8 people, but you take responsibility of only 6?
No.
5?
No.
Okay, two. Only 2 of us, huh? Only both of us. Final, एकदम done.
Wow, Saras, de tali.
No.
Okay then, dishes and girls' laundry only?
अरे मालवी.
No.
Yes. Okay. So house cleaning and dishes only. अभी तो done.
No, sir. No, madam. No.
Twinkle, I hope you understand that we are going to pay you for your services.
And that too much above the standard rate, huh? अरे I plead रे Twinkle. Take this money. हाले रेवा दे.
Pauline!
Take this. रेवा दे.
Pauline!
अरे सर आप 1 minute. Sir, madam, do you think you are the first ones to offer me more money than anybody else?
हाँ नहीं.
Do you know why I work for Mrs. Goyal? Because she always treats me with respect. I want that.
Yeah, obviously I understand,
No, and 1 minute. Wait, 1 minute. Now you conveniently contacted me because now you get to know my worth, right? You know what? You are not first at this either. I won't come. Sorry. And sir, you can't just have your way because of the money, okay? Sorry and bye.
Shit.
Twinkle, we did not mean it that way, yaar.
Hey, what's with her arrogant attitude? Didn't I offer her enough money? Huh? I mean, because we can give her more, na?
Hey, Bhagwan, Pauline! Shut up, yaar, idiot!
Wait, अरे ए मालवी यार મેં શું કર્યું છે?
Guys, Falak, Tanveer, where's everybody, yaar? Hey, Ravi, हो गया क्या तेरा? चल ना.
Come in. Just 2 minutes. Sit na.
किधर है सब?
On the terrace.
Doing what?
Right.
Hey, Ravi,
Right, correct.
Ravi, सुनना.
Shut up, yaar. Malvi, shut. Can you see me? Or hear me?
अरे
Hello?
अरे Ravi.
Looks like the connection went out today as well. Damn. So yeah, what's up?
अरे यार, I could have said hi to Sujoy.
Why? He wasn't there. Apparently has network issues. Like boss like employees. तू बोल ना, what's up?
अरे यार, that Kamwali by Twinkle, which by the way is a completely misleading description and name. We should not call her that. I mean, Pauline and I, we had gone to meet her and she's such a nice person, yaar. मतलब
अगर ए भाई, I hope you are leading somewhere.
Yeah. So she is a good person and we have hurt her.
Let alone Twinkle. I think you've been overthinking the overthought a lot lately.
Huh?
Ready to address the elephant in the room?
There was absolutely no need to storm into my room and disrupt my call for such stupid reasons. अरे टेरेस वर कशाला येताय मला? I'm still talking here. It was my boss, guys, who by the way hates me for no reason.
Oh, I wonder why.
Hey, you Manoranjan.
Tanveer, yaar, we really want to go swimming, please. I want to make it up to bench now, please.
No need.
Hey, I already have said no.
Anyway, now I'm calling in the big guns.
What does that even mean?
Tanveer, followed with Kumar. And do you like him again? What is it? Because I don't think so.
Again, what? I mean, what do you mean? Okay, who are we kidding here anyway? But no, I mean, I don't know.
Oi, want me to get ice cream?
Please don't make it any harder than it already is, yaar.
I've got so many things to say about this right now. But now is not the time, so continue.
So he's good and I won't mind giving it a try, but seeing that Kumar get there first, it's like
Sujoy trying to get there first with his hard determination.
Ravi.
Ravi.
Okay, I'll let it slide, but only this one time, alright?
Sorry, but this sounds like the exact same conversations you've had with Sujoy.
Okay, I'm leaving now. And I don't like Tanveer per se. We already have that awkwardness. I don't know, yaar. Ugh. Oh, you know what? Just shut up.
Yeah. I'm sorry for overthinking, for being pointlessly competitive and being completely unclear about my thoughts, and lastly, for being totally ridiculous. I am sorry.
Whew. Okay, now I could use that ice cream.
Which flavor?
Yaar.
Okay, sorry. And yeah, tell me more about this twinkle.
Kumar! What?
What? No.
Tanveer, please.
क्या मुझे प्यार है या कैसा खुमार है?
Hey, you Manoranjan.
Oh.
Kumar, the pool is closed and also needs maintenance. Listen, I have been continuously writing to the management to look into this matter, but
Yeah, on that. Please don't write any more letters to the management. Otherwise, that Keluskar will start cleaning the pool himself just to contaminate it with all your letters.
Exaggeration, not a big fan. And besides, it's not funny either. As a responsible resident, it's my duty to keep them informed about all the things.
Tanveer, please, this one time. For us.
Yeah. Kindly specify the us, huh? The us part. Yeah.
Bruh, I got that one.
Oh, Manoranjan, stop talking. Tanveer, please.
Go take a look at the pool yourself. It's out of maintenance.
No, it's not. I've checked it already.
Arey yaar, Kumar. Listen, diving in the pool is strictly prohibited. The volume level must not exceed 20 decibels. And why did all of you already have your towels and everything? What if I said no?
You know there's a reason they call me the big guns. Thank you.
This whole thing was your idea, wasn't it? Kumar, hey, Kumar! अरे बाबा नो नका ना उड्या मारू.
Oh, I don't have any network. Babe?
No, babe. Me neither.
बरं झालं. आग लागो त्या टिकटॉकला.
You know, I have observed this. Whenever we are in elevator, we never have network. I sometimes wonder why.
Falak and Bench, sometimes I really get worried for you guys.
Aww.
Oh, Ravi, my gal, come here.
Bicep suffocation, Bench. Was that Mr. Keruskar?
Ravi babe, Manoranjan was asking for you when we were at the pool.
He was asking me out as well.
What?
Huh? But for different reasons, huh?
I'm sorry, but do we know you?
Arre. No. Hello. Hi, I'm Twinkle.
Oh, hi.
And you know what? I was actually coming to your place.
You are? Oh, by the way, Malvi told me what happened and we cannot be more embarrassed. Twinkle, you're more than welcome at our place. The deal and working for a shit is just off the table. We're very sorry the way things went.
Thank you so much, madam. And you know what? You have very nice name. Ravi, nice name.
You too, sis. Twinkle it. Like has this spark. My name is Mila, but people here call me Benchadarsh. Nice to meet you.
I know.
I am Falak. I'm the cool one.
Oh, wow. Me too.
Yes, I got the network. Hey guys, I'm so sorry. I've been like pani ke bina machli for past 5 minutes now because of no network.
Wait, all of you, take this. I need soda hat. Who's this?
She's Twinkle Twinkle, bruh.
Bench. What did I tell you about jokes? But okay, now all of us will open our mouths and laugh. Hey you, Twinkle. बघत बसू नको. Please rub your hands properly first. Hey, असं चो ना, असं बोटांच्या मध्ये वगैरे. हा, okay.
Her name is Twinkle for real, idiot.
What? Twinkle is here. Hey, Malvi.
Finally.
Hi, Twinkle. Hi. Oh yes, come on in.
Sir, your house is very, very nice, huh? This room and that plants and everything. Very, very nice, sir.
I'll answer it. Abhimanyu.
Hey, hi Ravi, how are you?
I am good. How are you? Upper body workout in the terrace bearing fruits, huh?
अन्य नर भैंसों की तरह ये जवान भैंसा वास्तव में झुंड का हिस्सा नहीं है.
Yeah, is Tanveer home?
Yeah, come on in. And completely off topic, the accidental likes on your Insta post was Malvi. Stalker alert.
Who's it?
हालांकि गर्मियों का मौसम खत्म.
Hi Abhishek.
Shut up, Manoranjan. It's Abhimanyu.
Yeah. Sup, bro?
I'm good, bro. Where is Tanveer?
Oh, right, Tanveer. Hey, Sarak, Manoranjan, Sarak. Everybody, Abhimanyu is here. Palin and Falak, go to your rooms now.
Hey, chup re. Hone jao andar. Why should I go? I will not go. You go.
सोना कितना सोना है सोने. Oh God, it's Kelu sir, bruh.
How many times I have told you to call me? मरू देत. गाढवा पुढे गीता वाचली. असो, कुठं आहे आगाशे कुठं आहे? आगाशे.
Hey Malvi, your buddy is here as well.
What? Who? Oh God, no. Bhanu Prasad, even before you talk, shut up.
वाह. Everyone is here. आगाशे.
अरे केळुसकर काका.
You मालवी.
Uncle.
मिस्टर केलुस्कर.
तू तर लांबच राहा. तू अरे ट्विंकल.
ट्विंकल बेबी.
अरे मिस्टर सेक्रेटरी मनोज.
3302 अभिमन्यु.
Mr. Secretary.
Abhimanyu?
Manoranjan.
Tanveer.
Manoranjan.
Why are all of them staring angrily at each other?
I think it's like the cool close-up sequence before they face off.
I think it's just lame. Okay, now all of them are staring angrily at us.
Hi, I'm Falak. He's Bench. We are dating. And she's Kumar. She's his ex.
Falak, thank you for sharing our personal life with complete strangers.
Anyway, sir. What brings you here at this hour?
What brings me here? You being irresponsible, not following the rules, son.
And sir.
He didn't have the third point.
है ना?
I will tell you, Agashe, I will tell you.
Also, sir, listen, I am on a last name basis only with my school friend Dalimbe, our family astrologer Joshi Guruji, and Natraj, the person who collects parking money at our college gate.
Some of Tanvi's dearest friends, guys.
Ravi.
अरे काय चाललंय वॉचमन मनोज बनसुरी इकडे कोण कोण होतं सांग बघू आत्ताच आत्ता
सो बेसिकली
चल सांग
बैंड सर, उनकी गर्लफ्रेंड, उनकी एक्स, मनोरंजन सर और तनवीर सर.
भानु प्रसाद, what did I tell you?
अरे पर मैडम मेरा नाम तो.
Okay, listen, and I technically didn't get into the pool.
What? The pool is open?
No, in spite of that, people from your house went swimming, Tanvir Akashe. You have violated the rules, and this is going to come up in the society's Zoom meeting tomorrow.
Sir, I'm sorry. Please don't report this in the Zoom meeting because
Sir, one minute. Tanvir sir, 1 minute. Mr. Secretary, sir, tell me one thing. Violating swimming pool rules is not okay. Okay, I understand. लेकिन आप जो हमारे घर के बाहर ताक झाक करते रहते हो वो बिल्कुल सही है.
What do you mean? Huh? And you need not explain what you mean. Huh?
Yeah, we saw him there this afternoon as well.
Yeah, me too, in the evening.
And Tanvir sir, tell me one thing. You are a lawyer, right?
Yes.
So tell me now, what are we looking here exactly?
Violation of privacy, mental harassment, mental agony.
अरे काय बोलताय तुम्ही अरे
मतलब जेल. हे भगवान.
कब
Girl sure knows her way around things here, huh?
Need not go there, huh? I will just tell Goel madam that Mr. Secretary and Manoj are...
अगं ट्विंकल असं ते मी जरा आपलं असंच.
Girl knows her way around way too much, it seems.
Hey Malvi, thank you for not letting me talk to her. Otherwise,
ऐका. This pool dispute has been resolved. Huh? Please don't do it again. Huh?
While we are at it, it is mandatory for the management to respond promptly to all the letters of concern from the members of the society.
हो चला येतो आम्ही येतो. गुड नाईट हा ट्विंकल बाळा. तेवढं मॅडम ना फक्त म्हणजे येतो. चल रे.
सो गुड नाइट दोस्तों, बाय.
ए चल हड चल.
चायला हिने तर बिनपाडाचीच केली माझी.
Twinkle, our little star.
Thank you, sir. But still no on your offer, okay?
Actually, sir, I'm on a last name basis with Darimbe, Joshi Guruji, and Natra. So, where is everybody?
Gone downstairs for a walk.
Arey yaar, lockdown got extended, man. I don't want to work from home. And what's going on with you and Kumar?
What? Nothing. Ka?
Bitch, please. When are we going to talk about this? And can both of you be any more obvious?
Speaking of obvious. Hey, Abhimanyu!
What? Where? Is my hair okay?
Okay, listen. Anyway, Manoranjan has been acting weird lately when it comes to you. How about we discuss that first? Ravi, do you want to tell me something?
Mad or what? There's nothing to tell.
Thank God. Otherwise, Manoranjan and...
No, babe. No.
Was that Falak? Are they in the pool? Manoranjan!
What? I'm in the house. Hey, and Kumar supported that plan, okay?
अरे काय चाललंय यार यांचं? Shit, I'll go get them now.
Tanvir, what is wrong with you, man? You doing it again?
Oh, he's angry.
Yeah, whatever.
guys, keep it low. Keep it low, yeah. Tanvir comes, no, I can't save you guys now. I swear.
Guys, what are you doing, yaar? Bench. बाहेर या तिथनं. फलक, what are you doing? Don't do somersaults. I already told you.
अरे तन्वीर, it's okay.
अरे हे एवढे हॅलोजन्स कशाला लावलेत तुम्ही पोहताना? मालवी.
अरे यार, अरे Tanveer, it's okay. I wasn't there in the afternoon any which way. I just have my feet in the water, yaar.
Yeah, Tanveer, just calm down a little.
तुम्ही का पोहताय अजून? या ना बाहेर. काय चाललंय?
Guys, get out.
Come out right now. चला. अरे पालिन, don't go into the baby pool यार. Are you small?
अरे I am going underwater.
बाहेर या. बाहेर या. We have to leave right now. Come out now. जो भी होगा